Well, first of all, that melodrama caught me quite busy, and I never had time to pay attention. For I'm very occupied with very, very serious matters of governance in this country. When I see individuals who are destined, who are charged with offering leadership, engaged in melodrama for the sake of a moment to capture attention and have a camera moment, it's very unfortunate. If the opposition in Parliament was interested in fighting corruption, the person who led the signing of signatures chairs a Parker committee and surely knows where public resources are going. His leader in the opposition, he knows so well, Chaired Kosase, is very much alive to where public resources are being siphoned. So when I see them before cameras, trying to